How to disable comments on Steam profile. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily disable comments on your Steam profile. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up any browser on your phone and then search for Steam. Then go to the Steam website. Then here, if you have not signed in, tap on the three lines in the top left corner, tap on login, then enter here your Steam account name and password and tap on sign in. And after you have signed in, tap on the three lines in the top left corner, then tap on your name, then here tap on edit profile. Now here in edit profile, scroll this menu to the left, tap on privacy settings. Now scroll down and here can post comments on my profile, tap on here public, then tap on private. Now the settings is saved and no one can now post comments on your profile. So this is how you can disable comments on your Steam profile. Thanks for watching.